big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, we are drunk and the music's loud. I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute I'm back where we started, in that hallway. We couldn't keep our hands away from each other. Did you ever tell her? I have to sleep in the bed I made. I don't sleep much at all these days, 'cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want, to what we want, to what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, really hope that you're coming by. But you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want, to what we want. You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that, yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world.
I use this vinegar and water spray. It's a quarter of this spray can and water on all my surfaces that are clean. It's a bit of a myth to think that you need a spray for a different spray for every single surface that you have in your house. You can just use white vinegar and water. It's antibacterial and it will smell a little bit of vinegar for a little bit, but then that will disappear. And I find that this works on every surface and it is the best way to clean your whole house without using chemicals.
All the spaces
So,
inside your
taking
heart.
out this.
I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you wanted. I'll be your high when you fall down low. places. I hope it means that.
Okay, so with the oven, what you want to do is you want to do a wet cloth, and then once you've got all the bits and pieces off, like you cleaned it, like that. Okay, what you do is you use one of these cloths. Now these are called easy cloths. Easy clean cloths, okay? You can get them from the internet, and what I suggest you do is you use these to dry and polish after you go over it with a wet cloth. These are great for polishing, and it makes the surface brand new again, like it looks really polished. You can use these cloths on any surface, and they will dry and polish at the same time. This is a trick to getting a really nice finish on your stainless steel. And on your glass as well. Any surface really. Have a look at that shine. Isn't that beautiful?
We've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to stop, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. Without you, good shape this up, but you're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Don't say we're drifting apart, I can't stand to see you with another. Oh, make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good to stand around. I'll be good, I'll be good this time. I'll be good, I'll be good this time. I'll be good, I'll be good this time. Run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, if we want the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll make it this time around.
Thanks for watching. Tune in for the third part of the cleaning episodes in the next video, and I'll see you again. Don't forget to subscribe.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breathe.
You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I